Hello, today I would like to present you this absolutely beautiful video camera from Sony that is capable of recording full HD video at 25p, 25 progressive frame. The model number is Handycam HDR-AX2000 and it's got absolutely everything that you need from a run and gun style camera. So even nowadays, it is absolutely great device and it's got a lot of features that make it a good device for a one-person job. It's got extremely nice picture and that's because the free CMOS sensor configuration. Let me just for quick test record something and show you how it's working. This is video quality of that camera with a default settings in 1080p 25 frame progressive. We are with the ND filter 1. We are using built-in microphone. So let me use the zoom ring. And this is how it presenting. So as you can see, it's looking really nice. Here you can see the quality, and let me do quickly. As you can see, it's got really nice zoom, and this is my normal setup, and this is how it presents. Let's do some outdoor shoot, and let's go to the Go Zero. Here we've got some basic outdoor shoot. Sadly, we do not have any sun, so it's pretty sad weather. You can see that it's raining, but this is how the colors looks like. This is default, straight from the camera, and this is what you've got. So I think it's, for such old camera, then we really got a very nice. This is for feeding birds. Very nice. So this is how it presents. You can pick it up pretty cheaply, and that's because this is only 1080p camera, but there are great use case to use only full HD camera. So just imagine that you would like to record a lecture that is going to go for like a 6 hour, like a presentation, like a talk. You don't want to record that in 4K because you are going to go into terabyte of data. With this you can feed it up with a 128 gigabytes memory card and you can record for a couple hours straight. Since it is a professional camera, it's going to be fitting those beefy batteries. There are NP style, and as you can see, it's going to be totally hide inside, and they are pretty beefy, so any conference you've got absolutely no problem in working whole day with that setup. It is professional, and that is also mean you can record at 2 memory card or you can swap them out. So we've got the memory card A and B. It's work with the Memory Pro from Sony, but also with a regular consumer grade SD card. So let me find how to fit it. We go like this, you nicely close it down and you are done. When I told run and gun camera, that means it's going to be extremely good for a one-person job if you are doing like a walking type of interview when the scenery is changing. You've got a built-in ND filter, so just with a one click you can limit the amount of light that is going to be hitting your sensor, and it is absolutely amazing. Since it is a professional equipment, you've got a button for virtually almost anything, and you also got your own, so you've got no problem in programming function that is going to be executed as you press it. Here, for example, you are going to default into zebras, and with a one button press, they are going to be enabled. Then you've got ability to quickly enable or disable different functions. So we can, for example, go with a focus, set it to manual, set it to infinity. If you are in the manual focus, you can just quickly press that one button and it's going to automatically find it. So for example, if someone is walking in front of your camera, then you can be in the manual one, but you can just press that button and you can find a correct one. You've got a lot of different settings. You can quickly go into totally manual. You can go into the automatic. We've got a very nice option for our audio system, and Sony was like emphasizing on you to putting a microphone shotgun style in that shock mount. You've got a absolutely beautiful rubber elements that are protecting, but you've got two full-size XLR inputs, as you can see. So you can use one channel for a shotgun mic. I was attaching a wireless receiver to the second channel, so I've got two audio tracks. You've got full control for your audio input. You can feed it with a phantom 48 volt. You can swap it to line level. You can go with a mic input. So it is absolutely beautiful. It was, like I'm telling you, a professional equipment. We've got a headphone socket for monitoring our audio, and here you've got selector. You can choose between one channel, second channel, and stereo mix for both of channels, so you are going to hear what's being recorded. We've got a lot of outputs from analog to digital. Here we've got a standard RCA for analog output, HDMI full size for connecting external recorder or for like a computer screen. We've got connector for computer, we've got the component out, and we've got a standard Sony charging power supply input. Here we've got our beautiful Sony style switch that you go like this with the record on center. Working with that camera is absolutely amazing because we can zoom in or out here. If we are going to be holding it like this, we've got the zoom in and out here, but we can also use our rings, and it is absolutely amazing. You've got free option to zoom in, zoom out from any situations. This is our screen, and it is mounted in extremely interesting way, because if you would like to do like a hip hop video when you need to do a low angle shot, then you can rotate it like this, and let me just open the lens hood, and you can nicely see from top, and you can have a very low under on the ground, and you watching it from top. You've got your record, zoom in, zoom out. So you've got all those features under your thumb. If you would like to use it in a more traditional style, then you've got absolutely no problem. You go like this, and here you've got your record and zoom in, zoom out. But you can also put it on your shoulder with a different mount, and then you can use the lens. So it is absolutely beautiful. Here we've got like a more of a VCR transport controls. We can playback something, we can delete, we can do a lot of different things. We've got ability to adjust a little bit the built-in picture profiles. We've got our cold shoe for different accessories like a lamp. On top we've got our microphone that go like this, so it's going to be picking up from both sides. But we've got a record indicator, which is extremely important. If you are like recording yourself, you'll just know that you press the record button and you are not going to waste all the time. So if you do not need to record 4K footage, if that's going to be a waste of space, waste of resources to transmit and store, archive couple terabytes of data created by a 1 day of recording, then this is going to be absolutely beautiful option, because it is a professional equipment that some time ago cost a lot of money, but nowadays you can pick it up really cheaply. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.